Though the 1/4-inch foot can be used for small projects with narrow seam allowances, it's most commonly used for quilting, as pieced quilts require accurate 1/4-inch seam allowances. The 1/4-inch foot has a small hole in the center to help hold fabric firmly in place for precise straight stitching. These markings on the foot indicate when to pivot the fabric to ensure a 1/4-inch seam allowance when turning corners. Select the straight stitch, then turn the hand wheel toward you slowly to make sure that the needle clears the hole in the foot. To sew a perfect 1/4-inch seam, line up the fabric along the right edge of the presser foot. Keep the fabric edges even with the foot's right edge as you sew. For best results, use a rotary cutter, mat, and ruler to cut fabrics, as cleanly cut edges will be easier to sew accurately. Place the pieced fabric strips together and pin, checking that the seams intersect with one another accurately. Sew the sections together, keeping them lined up with the edge of the foot. Iron the seams flat, and whenever possible, seam allowances should be pressed in one direction, toward the darker colored fabric, to keep them from being visible on the right side of the fabric.